In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate average marks in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. You can either open an existing worksheet if you already have your data prepared, or create a new workbook if you're starting from scratch. Once your sheet is ready, enter the student's marks into a single column or row. For example, you might list subjects like math, English, science, history, and computer, and place the corresponding marks beside them. Keeping your data organized like this makes it much easier to calculate averages accurately. Next, click the cell where you want the average mark to appear. This will be the cell where Excel displays the final result. For example, if your marks are entered in cells B2 through B6, you could click cell B7 to place the average directly below the list of marks. Choosing the output cell before typing the formula helps you stay organized and avoid placing the result in the wrong spot. Now it's time to enter the formula. In the selected cell, type equals average, followed by the range of cells containing the marks in parentheses. If your marks are in B2 through B6, the formula would be equals average, open parenthesis B2